In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a distinct count of unique values in Excel. We're going to use a simple formula that quickly tells Excel to count only the different values in a list instead of counting every repeated entry. This is especially useful when you're working with lists like names, product IDs, categories, or any column where duplicates might appear and you only want the number of unique items. To begin, open your Excel workbook where you want to count unique values. Once the workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through A8. Having your data organized in one column makes the formula easier to enter and review. Next, set up a label for your results so your worksheet stays clear and easy to understand. Click cell B1 and type distinct count. This gives your result a title and helps anyone viewing the sheet understand what the number represents. After that, click cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then enter counter, followed by an opening parenthesis. Inside that, type unique A2, A8, and then close the parenthesis. The full formula should count the unique values returned by the unique function. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display the number of distinct values found in the selected range. If your data is stored somewhere else, you can easily adjust the formula. For example, if your values are in a different range, simply replace A2, A8 with the range you want to use. If you need to count unique values in a larger set of data, update that reference to include all relevant cells. And if your data is in another column, just replace column A in the formula with the column that contains the values you want to evaluate. After pressing enter, take a look at the result in B2. Excel returns the total number of distinct or unique values in the selected range. This gives you a fast and reliable way to summarize data without manually removing duplicates or filtering your list. And that's it. You now know how to get a distinct count of unique values in Excel using a straightforward formula. Once you get comfortable with it, you can reuse the same method in other worksheets and adapt it to different ranges whenever needed.